safe and sound. This is the Pelican 1500 case that I turned into my pistol case, pistol handgun. It's got 2 lock places on here, handle spools. I actually have 7 handguns in here. They each have their little magazine spots. Could actually put a couple more in there if I needed to. And they press down in there and make a snug fit. And there's like a 1/2 inch here on the top on the lid that presses down on them to keep them from rattling around. Got a nice tight fit. That's actually a full-size M&P 9. About the size of a Glock 19, 9mm. Nice tight fit.